Hey, what's up? We're in Oakland, checking out the Oakland Museum of California. Here with the family. It's a day after Thanksgiving. Let's go inside and see what it's all about. Peace. Did you know that some Oakland streams flow underground through these giant natural tubes? Now, I didn't make that up. It's actually written right over here. We're down the hall to get to the elevator. It was there. Alright, we're actually taking a lunch break right now. The Oakland Museum of California is actually really large, and it's the day after Thanksgiving, so the cafe is closed. But we went outside, we're gonna find a place to eat, and hopefully get some good food. We're here at the art hall, and there's a lot to see here. I don't want to spoil it for you, but this is a great place if you want to check out art. All right, I'm here in the historical part of San Francisco.